Hey there everyone, Laser Dave here again from Trotec Laser. I have another laser hack to show you. This laser hack will walk through the process of using an out-of-focus laser to effectively heat glaze an engraved acrylic surface to produce a controlled, opaque effect on your laser. Let's take a look. I will use an optically clear 1/4 inch or 6mm cast acrylic for this laser hack. Here is the design file that will be used in this example. Download the design files in the link below. The goal is to engrave a 3D relief pattern into the acrylic, then take the black section of the file using the laser to glaze the engraving, effectively converting it from a frosted engraving to an opaque, transparent effect. For this to work, the file needs to be converted into 3 separate files: a cut file, a 3D relief engrave file, and a black overlay file. First, cut a piece of acrylic to an outline size, then cut a template on the laser. This will allow the acrylic to be positioned into the laser and maintain a fixed location. This effect will also work in the corner next to the rulers. Place the acrylic into the laser and focus onto the acrylic surface. I will first cut the file's outline using standard 1/4 inch or 6mm acrylic materials database settings for this file. After the file has been cut, next is the relief file. The relief or 3D fish scale in this example will be engraved at full laser power at low speed, while turning on the relief mode in the Ruby Laser software. This example is engraving the file on a Speedy 400 120-watt laser at 100% power, 30% speed at 1000 dpi for the fish scale texture. The file was cut out first because the heat from the cutting process can distort this 3D effect if it is cut after it's engraved. After the texture is engraved, open the laser and use a coarse brush to brush the residue from the surface. In this example, I am using a brass wire brush. Once the acrylic has been brushed, use a can of air or a compressor to blow off any excess residue and adjust the part back to the template. Now for the laser hack. The laser will engrave this final file design using standard acrylic laser parameters, with 2 changes. The laser needs to be taken out of focus by 1/2 inch away from the material, and the engraving DPI needs to be changed to 125 dpi. Once that is done, run the black design file. When the laser processes this file at a low DPI and out of focus, the laser beam will have a much more prominent diameter. This will produce a heating effect that will glaze the design into the fish scale texture, creating a transparent, opaque effect in the location of the design. Once finished, remove from the laser to see the final effect. A laser-cut 3D relieved engraved image with a unique looking localized glazed heat effect, producing an outstanding finished product. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified for future laser hacks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.